Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Elliott. Today we're going to be taking a look at a nonfiction book. This nonfiction book is called Riches from Earth. We're going to be looking at nonfiction text features that we can find inside this book. So we're going to take a look inside on the first cover. On the first cover, we spot the table of contents. On the table of contents, we see the chapters, and inside the chapter, they're going to give us the names of the headers that we're going to find inside the book. So if we go ahead and turn the page, we're going to turn to Chapter 1. Chapter 1 heading is soil. We can also spot some other nonfiction text features inside this book. For example, we have a bold print word here, and we have another bold print word here, nutrients, and this word is humus, which we'll be able to find both later on in the book. If we take a look down here at the bottom, we can see a picture with a label down at the bottom. This is the word centipede, which is labeling the picture of our centipede. We're going to turn to the next page. On the next page, we have a photograph, and underneath that photograph, we have a caption. The caption is going to tell us what is going on inside the picture. Again, you can spot another bold print word on this page, which is erosion. We're going to turn again. Again, we have a bold print word. We have another caption, and we have a heading here. Here's our caption and our heading. All right, on this page, we can see there is a table here, or you may be able to find graphs or other illustrations of information in other nonfiction books. In this one, we have a table of different types of minerals that can be found in nature for natural resources. We have iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These foods and items keep our body healthy and keep it going throughout our day and keep us healthy. Again, bold print words and captions. On this page, you can see it is a different type of table that we have. These are minerals and the hardness. You will be able to read about those if you were to read this book in your class. So in this book, again, we have another real photograph, and we have a caption. It's telling us about diamonds that can be found in South Africa, which you can see some beautiful jewels here. We have another picture caption at the bottom as well. And then we're going to click. We have labels for each one of these types of rocks. And we are going to arrive at toward the end of the story. And at the end of the story, we're going to be able to find our glossary. We know at the end of nonfiction stories, they have many dictionaries included in their words for their book. For example, we read one of our bold print words was humus. If we take a look in the glossary, we see the word humus, and it tells us what humus means. It's a mineral in the soil that is rich in nutrients produced by the breakdown of dead plant and animals. Last but not least, we can turn to the final page and we'll be seeing the index. The index is the words, the important words that we find in nonfiction books, and the page numbers that we can find them on. For example, let's say we want to learn about humus. We would go to H for humus, and we could find information about humus on page 4 and again on page 6. Hope you enjoyed our video. Happy hunting, and I know you are having a great time looking for these nonfiction text features.